Oh God, there's another one. There's another. Yeah. Got another one. Another fish. Oh yeah. Oh my God. What's happening? What's happening right now? What is happening? There's a fish under here somewhere. There it is. Yeah. 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 Yes. It's another one. Oh. Holy cow. Another good fish. Yeah. Another good one. 3 pounds, something like that. Maybe 3 pounds. Here you go. Another good fish. Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable. I came out here to test a fly fishing rod, and that didn't pan out. Instead, I'm catching some bass, which is perfectly fine. Oh, okay. Let her go. Oh, yeah. Another fish. Another little bass. Of course, you don't have the GoPro, but another one. Another frog fish. Another fish. Not as big as the other one, but two over here. Oh, another one on the frog. Holy jeez. Didn't bring the GoPro, but I got the camera on the cell phone. Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's a big fish. Wow, she swallowed that. Swallowed that frog. Oh. Oh. Is that even... Can you even see that? Did it even come up? Oh my God. My gosh. It's a big fish. Can't even. Jeez, that's a big fish. Look at that.